Hey sis, let's be real. Everybody's telling you to start a business, but nobody's telling you how to start a business that brings in consistent income, that pays your bills, that respects your boundaries, and that gives you the life that you desire. Well, today, I'm gonna change all that. This isn't a get rich quick video. $10,000 might sound like a fantasy or a non realistic goal, but I promise you, it's not. It's not about luck. It's about having the right offers, the right pricing, the right systems, and most importantly, the right mindset. My name is Chelsea Harris. I am the founder of Saasy Marketing Agency, and I'm also a marketing coach. I help service-based girlies like you with automating their businesses and attracting our ideal clients so that they can bring in consistent income. In this video, I'm breaking down the offers you need, the systems in order to scale, how to price your offers, and the mindset you need in order to become very successful in your business and start achieving those $10,000 months. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Part one, the $10,000 a month math. Okay, sis, so the first thing that you need is to get clear on what it takes to make the $10,000 a month. It's not rocket science. It's actually easier than you think. You just need a plan. Here are a few ways that you can earn $10,000 in a month. 5 clients at $2,000. You can get 10 clients at $1,000. You can get 20 people in a $500 a month membership, or you can do a mix, like a $1,000 offer plus a few digital products. You don't need 1,000 sales a month in order to make $10,000. You just need the right offer, positioned the right way to the right audience. Part two, offer stacking. So one of the biggest mistakes that I see people do is they try to fit everything all into one offer, like a one size fits all. What I would recommend instead is doing what we call offer stacking. Think of your business like a funnel that meets people right where they are. A low ticket offer would be something like $27 digital product or ebook. This is great for leads or impulse buys. We also have what we call a mid-ticket offer. This would be something that's between $297 to $997. This could be a do-it-yourself or done-with-you course, template, or one-on-one coaching. You could also do a high-ticket offer, and that's $2,000 plus. It could be a done-for-you service or a coaching program. Stacking these offers means that you are catching buyers at all income levels, and you're building trust over time. Imagine you're a brand strategist. Your stack might look like this: $27 brand kit template, a $97 Canva template bundle, $997 for a brand strategy session, and $2,500 for a full brand and website package. Really, the main reason you want to go about stacking your offer is to get your person to get to know you with the lower ticket item, and then over time purchase higher ticket items with you. The biggest thing is you want to make sure that each of these offers funnel into the next one and they're all connected and all interrelated, because then when somebody feels comfortable buying that $27 product and they like it with you, then they will feel more comfortable buying a $97 product or a $997 product or service with you. Part three, pricing for profit. All right, y'all, let's talk pricing, because some of y'all are undercharging like crazy. I want you to ask, how long does it take me to complete my offer? What transformation am I providing? And how many clients can I realistically serve per month? That's how you come up with the price. I need y'all to stop pricing like you're doing favors and start pricing like you're changing lives. If your offer saves someone time, stress, and years off of trial and error, it's worth a lot more than you think. Here's a tip. If you can only service 5 people a month and your goal is to make $10,000 a month, then you need to be charging $2,000 for your services. Period. The biggest thing is you just want to make sure that you are charging your value and your worth. Don't charge per hour, charge for your value, and the rest will fall in line. If somebody can't afford you, then they're not your people. That's not your audience. The right people will be attracted to you because they know the value that you offer. Part 4, scale with systems. Now, this part is non-negotiable. You cannot scale without the right systems in place. The reason why most people stall at $2,000 to $5,000 a month and never make it to that $10,000 a month goal is because they're doing everything manually. I use my Saasy CRM system to automate everything I do. Everything from generating leads to posting on my social media pages to bookings to payments to my emails to onboarding. Everything is handled all in one system. Instead of paying for Kajabi, Calendly, and MailChimp and ConvertKit, I have one software that does it all in one place. And it saves me hundreds of dollars a month. I then pair that with tools like ChatGPT, which helps me write my captions, my content, and my emails. I utilize Canva for my graphics, my slide decks, and my ebooks. And I use Opus Clip to turn YouTube videos into reels. And sis, this is how you make a business run while you sleep. Part 5, Mindset and CEO Energy. All right, sis. Let's talk about CEO energy, because before you can make $10,000 a month, you have to think like the woman that already does. And I know a lot of people like to skip this part. They want the strategy, they want the systems, they want the templates, they want to be told what to do. But sis, if your mindset ain't right, none of that matters. You'll undercharge, you'll sabotage your launch, you'll second guess every move, you'll show up small because deep down, you don't believe that you deserve more. So this is what I had to learn. First of all, money equals energy. If you're showing up in desperation and fear and in the, I hope someone buys this energy, feel that. Money doesn't come because you want it to. It comes when you create a space for it, when you become a match for it. Start asking yourself, what would the $10,000 a month version of me do today? How would she price this offer? Would she be scared to promote it? Or would she confidently share it because she knows it's going to transform lives? Second, CEO energy isn't about having a big team or audience. It's a decision. It's you choosing to stop waiting for permission, stop overthinking every move, and start acting like the boss of your business. I don't care if you still have a 9 to 5, if you only have 200 followers, if you failed before. We're not playing business anymore. You're moving with purpose. You're moving with intention. You're thinking like a strategist. You're creating offers based on the transformation that they provide, not on your self-worth. That's CEO energy. All right, Queen. That's what I got for you today. I hope it was helpful, and I hope it helps you change your mindset and made you realize that you can definitely make $10,000 easily in your business if you have the right strategy and tools and the right mindset. Make sure you download the free guide, The Passive Income Playbook. It's gonna teach you the exact steps that you need to build passive income in your business and attract the ideal clients that you deserve. Also, if you want access to my Saasy Boss CRM software, the link is below. It's an all-in-one platform that I use to run my entire business. It's a website and funnel builder, email marketing, social media scheduler, calendar bookings, and client management all in one place. No more duct taping together 5 different tools like Kajabi, MailChimp, Calendly, Canva, and Wix. With Saasy Boss, it's all under one roof, and it actually saves you money each month. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The second half of the year is already here, babe. Let's make sure your business is running it up. See you next time.